Hi everyone, and welcome to week 3. In week 3, I'm going to review what we're going to be completing this week, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Let's click on the preparation items first. With the preparation items, you'll have the weekly objectives right here. The readings for week 3 are chapter 4 and 5. We're going to be dealing with pollution and crime. I also have inputted the 2 lectures for you to review as well. Now let's go to what's required for this week. For this week, we click on the week 3 assessment items. You'll notice that you have a discussion, 2 discussions, and quiz number 2. For the first discussion, you're going to look at the role of positive and negative externalities. And you have 2 questions that you have to answer. So now, from the scenario, and you'll go back for the scenario, list and describe 2 positive externalities and 2 negative externalities the copy center is associated with in society. Select a business in your community with which you are familiar and describe the positive or negative externalities that business is adding to society. For your answer, a negative externality is a cost to a third party. So pollution and smoking would be examples of negative externality. Positive externality would be healthcare, picking up trash, education, and vaccinations. Now, what you're going to do is, from the recommended methods that once implemented would decrease the possibility of government regulation. So you're looking at government regulation as a possible solution. And when you look at this solution, focus on it and how you need to evaluate it. That's very important to look at. In each discussion board, this is important. Your first post, if you want to earn extra points, your first post will be due by Wednesday, and you will earn 5 extra points if you have your first post by Wednesday. And those points can easily add up very quickly, so think about that. Also make sure to have an APA formatted in-text citation and reference. For the week 3 discussion number 2, we're looking at economics of crime. You're going to respond to 2 or 3 ways to reduce crime in the city or town in which you live, explain these recommendations, and then give opinions of how this economic analysis can be used to understand the reduction in crime. You need to support your work with that AP formatted in-text citation and reference. That's very important. Now let's go over the quiz 2 as well. Here's the instructions right here. And I'm not going to go over all the questions. I'm only going to go over questions that I think that maybe need more explanation. Pure competition, monopoly. Those are market structures like monopolistically and oligopolies. You receive a big raise, higher income, you stop bringing your lunch. Think of when my income increases, I buy less of something. Technological advancement, that is going to be supply increasing, which means it goes to the right. Orange juice prevents certain diseases. That's a good thing. Demand will increase to the right. Law of demand is an indirect relationship between price and quantity demanded. Same thing with that question. Definition of law of demand. Increase in the quantity of pizzas purchased, but no change in the price of pizza. That means there's probably going to be either a change. If there's an increase in quantity of pizza purchased, no change, you want to look at factors that shift supply and demand and what happened to the price and the quantity. So if they always eat cheese and macaroni, they go together. What are they classified as? Many of you deal with that. Pure market economy is where there's no government intervention. The law of supply is a positive relationship between price and quantity supplied. Law of diminishing return. As an additional units of variable input are added to a fixed input, you'll notice that increases in output will be much smaller than before. So the firm increases from 50 to 52 workers. Output increases from 100 or 110. Each additional units of output can be sold at $2. What is the marginal revenue of 52nd worker? So what was the change? 50th to 52nd worker? You'll notice that 10 more was produced. Price ceilings. This is when the government utilizes highest prices that can be charged for goods. Government mandated. Rent control is a good example of this. Maximum allowable price for a good or service. Price ceiling. And that's the last question. If you have any questions over these concepts, please let me know, but I look forward to your reference.